Okay, here we are again. We are done with addition of whole numbers. We are now going to subtract. I have to see to it that the subtraction that I will give you today is very simple. Everybody, I mean the primary student or pupils could do it by themselves. Okay, let's start. In subtraction, sometimes we're going to use our hands. If it is primary, like this, we have 9 minus 5. So, we will answer 4. But if we could do it right away, 9 minus 5 is 4. 16 minus 14. The others could already answer 2. But if you are going to step by step, 6 minus 4 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. That's it. Okay. 0. Number 3, 0. Minus 0. Simple 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, we have here 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay. I am going to illustrate how we borrow. Kasi in this example, this is already by borrowing. Like this. So, let me start from right to left. Now, 0 minus 5 cannot be. So, we are going to borrow 1 here. This becomes 2. The one that you borrowed becomes 10. So, you put here. So, 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 again cannot be, so you borrow 1. So, this is already 0. So, the 1 is already here. So, this becomes 12. Again, this is already 12. Minus 4 is 8. So, if I will write 0 here, it's okay. But if we're not going to write 0, still it's okay. Here, number is 6. Again, you have to borrow. Now, 0 minus 8 cannot be. So, we borrow from here. So, it cannot be also. So, we have to borrow from 2. The 2 becomes 1. The 1 that we borrowed becomes 10. Again, this will 1 will borrow. This becomes 9. And the 1 that we borrowed becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 9 minus 5 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. And that's for subtraction of whole numbers. Now, the next is multiplication. If you have questions, you just ask me and I will give you more examples if you want to have more examples. That's for subtraction. Now, we're going to multiply whole numbers. Now, in multiplication, always remember that you are going to master or memorize the multiplication table. May I remind you that any number multiplied by 0 becomes 0. And any number multiplied by 1, the number that you paired with 1 is the answer. Example, 9 times 1 is 9. And 0 times 9 equals 0. So these are only some reminders that many are confused on what to answer. Now, it's good that you have memorized the multiplication table. Are you ready for multiplication? It's number one example. So, these are examples. Number one, we have 9 times 8 is 72. Here, we already multiplied two digits and versus 1. So 4 times 3. So it's from here. Go to that direction, then ganon. Then we have 3 times 4 is 12. Carry 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Again, 4 times 3 is 12. The 2 is written here, 1 is to be carried. So we have 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. This is the answer. Here we have 2 digits, multiplied by 2 digits. Wait. This is a multiplicand and this is a multiplier. This one will multiply. So this again, a multiplicand and a multiplier. Here, 4 times 3 is 12. Carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. 5 times 3, 15. Carry 1. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 1, 11. May I remind you, this is only a partial product and another partial product that you are going to add. So, in this portion, you are going to add, bring down 2. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Bring down 1. This is 1,242 for this question alone. Now here, another simple example. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3. 1 times 2. 2. 1 times 1. Then another operation here, you are going to add the two partial products. Bring down 3 and 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. And this is 1. 1, 2, 3. That's 1,353. They are all simple. I am going to give you another example that is already considered by others difficult. Okay, let's try. Because this is already 3-digit number in your dividend, multiplicand, and in your multiplier is already also 3-digit. Now we have 3 times 4 is 12. Carry 1. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So we are done with this. 1 times 3 is 4. You do like this in this slanting position. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Here, we are done with this. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. Then bring down 2. 0 plus 4, 4. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 8, 18. Carry 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 6, 9. Bring down 4. So the answer is 49,842. Now you do like that. again, and then you do like that. That is the position. You are going to do it like that. Then after that, we have to do like that. Multiply. That is the correct multiplication. So if you are going to multiply this correctly, the partial products, and add correctly, you can get, it is very much possible that you can get the correct final product. Okay, this is the one. Try this. We will do it slowly. 6 times 3, 18. Carry 1. 6 times 6, 36. Plus 1, 37. 3. 6 times 5, 30. Plus 3, 33. And again, we have to have 4 na. 4 times 3, it's 12. Carry 1. 4 times 6, that's 24. Plus 1, 25. Carry 2. 4 times 5, 20 plus 2, 22. Okay. 2 times 3, it is 6. 2 times 6, 12. Carry 1. And 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, we have 11. Again, maybe it's good that we're going to review. This is 18, carry 1. This is 36 plus 1, 37. 37, 3. Then this is already 30 plus 3, 33. Correct. Then 4 times 3 is 12, carry 1. 4 times 6, 24 plus 1, 25. Carry 2. 4 times 5, 20 plus 2, 22. Correct. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12, carry 1. And 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. Now, it's the time for us to add. This is 8. That's already 9. 5 plus 3, 8. That's 14. Carry 1. That's already 4. Plus 2, 6. Plus 2, 8. That is 3. And that is 1. Again, that's 8. That's 9. It's already 8. Plus 6, 14. Carry 1. That's already 5 plus 1, 6. 8. And that is 3. And that is 1. Bring down 1. So, your answer is 138,490. That's for multiplication of whole numbers. If you have question, try to ask me. Please subscribe.